So I'm here now and they're in there having a pre-match talk. So let's go and have a look inside.
So guys, looking forward to the game on May the 8th against FANUC in Coventry at the Alan Higgs Stadium.
Big game.
Now what happened last time? What happened last time? Seriously.
Strategy. The strategy.
There's nothing wrong with the strategy.
Manager.
Perfect. I thought I actually assembled the perfect team. But anyway, I've been looking at FANUC's, we'll come back to that, I've been looking at FANUC's weaknesses. To start with the goalkeeper. Now, I know our goalkeeper isn't the best, okay, but he's as good as we can get. Look at some of the mistakes that they make. Look at I mean, you know, complacency
I have done that, yeah.
in the goal. I mean, what do you do, Colin, when the ball bounces?
It doesn't bounce when I catch it before it lands.
Yeah, but what do you go to meet the ball? Or
absolutely, they get a big shout. If they don't hear me shout, you're getting out of the way.
And what about this one? You've done that, Colin, a few times, haven't you?
Yeah, hit the bar many a time.
To be fair, Colin's got a bad back from all that bending down.
Where did he get that from? He shouldn't be practising his external activities.
But he was man of the match.
I think what's evident here is the defenders look a shambles as well, and this is one thing we've got to address. We've got to make sure we keep a high line.
We can't be flamboyant like last time. We were too flamboyant.
Gio, I thought it wasn't about our performance. It was the opposition and how good they were. What about the attackers? FANUC attackers, guys, attention! Can you watch this, please? FANUC attackers. Look, this is what we're up against, Colin. Even if you play to your normal standard, they will struggle to score. Even if you play to your normal standard, the same with you and Joe and Mark at the back. Even if you don't do what you should do, which is normal, then we should stand a chance. Because look, they keep putting it over the bar.
Had that covered.
You see, so anyway, what are we going to change? What's going to be different?
Manager.
Well, I think for what? Our man of the match needs to be the striker, not the goalkeeper. You know, we lost 8-1, and the goalkeeper was man of the match. That's so it's not.
I've been training near Paris, certain team, you know, and I've got to say they do it different. They do it different.
So what do we say now? We're questioning. Are we questioning the manager?
Wow.
Yeah. So what do you say? Okay, well, I'll tell you what. We'll have a vote.
I think democratic.
I was manager at the last game. Are we saying I should be manager at the next one, or should we? Hands up if you think you should sack the manager. Oh, for Pete's sake, that's confidence for you, isn't it?
So yeah, that was confident.
I'll tell you what. You lot sort it out yourselves. I'll go on the pitch.
I think Jones in his front.
You know, well, Theresa May.
Yeah, I think get Jones up front.
Yeah, he tried out last time. He didn't play. He had a bad back. Did he? Yeah, but we've got a new recruit, Ryan. Him and Joe at the back. That's going to be like the bloody Berlin Wall, I reckon.
I think FANUC are putting a robot in goal.
Are they?
No,
You're joking.
You're all right, Paul. Controversy?
They've just told me they don't want me to manage the team.
Yeah, but I fired you at FANUC anyway.
Yeah, but Lindsay, I mean, what else are we going to do? Who else we got? I mean, I suppose we could go back to Carl, but we lost then as well.
Why don't we ask everyone who's watching?
That's what a good idea. If you got managerial credentials, could you manage the MTD team on May the 8th against FANUC? Be really good to hear from you if you could. They could contact us, couldn't they?
Yeah, let's do that. Yeah. You need a medal if you did want to.
Be the MTD manager, May the 8th against FANUC, Alan Higgs Stadium in Coventry. Contact us.